You know how this ends, don't you?
Wise men once told me there are many endings.
What happens? How does this end?
There are many endings.
Which is the right one?
Right one.
The one that you'll choose.
Science killed the world. Now your machine is going to finish off what's left of us.
Today's the day. One that ends at the beginning and begins at the end. Resurrection. I know that the search for Titan only leads to death.
Feedback of splinter radiation.
We've been through this. My life is my life. My choices.
What is it? Memory of what?
Forget about me.
Like a memory of tomorrow. There's a little bit of happiness. Better than a lifetime of anything else.
Yes.
For you to create time travel, you had to lose Hannah. Or at least believe that you did.
Once we change the timeline.
Falling, rain keeps falling down, down, down.
They told you Hannah died in their care,
Will you
that her body was incinerated with the others. It wasn't.
Oh, I come by. Rain keeps falling, rain keeps falling down.
I saw a
down,
place
down.
called Titan. He's there.
Then what?
We kill the witness.
I know that the search for Titan only leads to death. Your friends, their rage is blinding. You need to see what they can. Stay the course. Find the last primary.
Forget about me.
What is that? It's a big part of the witness.
There are many endings. Today is one of them.
As you walk on by, will you call my name?
Take a look at those skies. Cold didn't stop anything. The only way we survive
Will you call
is if we find Titan and we kill the witness.
forget about me?
Been there before.
What is it?
There's a house in the distance.
Call my name.
see him,
as you walk on by.
know him.
Take off the mask.
Don't you forget about me.
Are you willing to let someone you love die for your mission? For the good of the world? Where are you right now? Someplace warm? Safe? Next to someone you love?
I just remembered that thing you said about not every cat.
Caterpillar becomes a butterfly.
So, what, I drink this and my consciousness drifts up the time stream?
To any moment you've been before. Some happiness is better than a lifetime of anything else. Death can be undone, James. Love cannot.
And not every caterpillar becomes a
There's nothing I ever wanted more than this.
butterfly. You gave me a butterfly. And the house, it was cedar and pine. We lived there together. It was our home.
We have this story, all the impossible. A tale, best all softly. Wanna make believe, maybe impossible to achieve. I'm really close. What happened to the escape and all the plans we made?
He's always called me Zeit.
It's German. You know what that means? It means time.
The train, the world's greatest circus. We have this story, all the impossible.
It means we'll always find our way back to each other.
Best all softly.
Wearing this
Wanna make
somehow, somewhere, you're always gonna find your way back to her.
impossible to achieve, but also close.
The witness is here.